2 weeks sailing around Mallorca with a group of 7 people means space is limited, and overpacking is not an option. At Nomad Story, we're all about traveling light without sacrificing comfort. So today, I'm showing you exactly what I packed for this trip. And honestly, you might be surprised by how few items you actually need for a 2-week trip. I'm skipping the obvious stuff like toiletries and sunscreen, and I'll be focusing on just the gear that really matters. Quick dry UV protection polos, 4 of them. 4 t-shirts, 1 color shirt to visit fancy places, 3 pairs of our Aquaflex shorts and 1 pair of underwear for the return flight, a raincoat, boat shoes, flip-flops, sunglasses, a hat, sailing gloves, quick dry towel. It's so small and light. Why wouldn't I bring one? A sleeping bag and a sleeping mask, depending on the linen and the curtains situation on the boat. Chargeable light. If it can give you red lighting, it's a plus. Power bank, power adapter. My trusty GoPro cam and a floating stick for the GoPro. My drone to take amazing bird's eye view shots. My snorkeling gear to discover the world beneath the surface. Pen and a flashlight. Pouch to store IDs and documents. My sailing logbook and certifications. Of course, a cheap waterproof wristwatch. A dry bag, mostly for dinghy rides. Toiletry bag, not going into the details. Packing cubes is a must to maximize volume and get more organized. A backpack because it's easier to stow on a boat than a hard shell luggage. A day pack for land excursions. A water bladder or water bottle because staying hydrated matters. I personally prefer a water bladder for quick access and because it's thinner than a water bottle when it's empty. And that's it, 2 weeks and managed to pack light. If it earned its place in the bag, it came with me. If I miss one of your sailing essentials, let me know in the comments. We've got another sailing trip coming up this summer in Italy, and we can't wait to bring you with us. See you out there, and thanks for watching.